Hi, in this video we are going to see about Cloud SQL cross-region replication in Google Cloud. For this demo, I have created two VPC networks, prod and prod here. I have created 4 compute engine instances, 2 in central and 2 in east. And I have a SQL master and a SQL replica. Both are hosted in US central region. And let's consider that the two compute instances host the prod and prod tier application, and they need to connect to a Cloud SQL database that is hosted on Google Cloud via a private IP address. So I have created a SQL master and a SQL replica with private IP addresses. There is no public IP address used for this Cloud SQL. And when I create this Cloud SQL with the private IP address, it does a VPC peering with Google's Cloud SQL service network. And now what we are trying to do is create another replica in US East region, so that the DR application can use the replica in the Eastern region. So to create the replica in another region, we create a external compute instance, and we use a VPC peering between the two networks, between the prod and prod DR VPCs. And we also use a port forwarder to connect to the Cloud SQL service network. So here, this is the master. In the master, I have created a replication user and granted replication privileges for the external compute engine. And as you can see, from central 1A instance, I have connected to the replica 10.108.16.8, and from the US East 4 instance, I have connected to the Eastern region SQL replication server 10.111.2.4. So when we establish the connection to the Eastern region SQL replication server, it uses the port forwarder. Here I have configured the port forwarder, and it establishes the connection to the SQL master. And on the Eastern region SQL instance, I have configured the mysql.cnf file to establish the required connection to the SQL master. To get more details on that, you can go to the Google Cloud's documentation on how to configure a Cloud SQL external Cloud SQL compute instance. As you can see here, it is able to establish connection to the port forwarder, and the port forwarder acts as a middleman to get the information to and fro from the master to the Eastern region replicated instance. Let's go ahead and test it. Let me insert a new row for the users table in the master. And just say test 2 3. Just test. So I have added a new row, and let's see if it is getting replicated in the read replicas in the central and the east region. As you can see, it has got replicated successfully in the central, and let's see if it is coming on the east region. Yeah, so you're also able to get this data in the eastern region too. So let me show the configuration. Here I have given the bind address as 0.0.0. So you will be able to establish the connection to the replica server. And here I have given the parameters that is required for this replicate instance. So this is how you can establish a connection to an external compute engine instance that is replicated with the Cloud SQL master. Thanks for watching this video.